Hello YouTube, it's good to see you guys. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to reassemble a Taurus PT92 pistol. Here we go. So now all that's left is reassembly. On the Taurus PT92 and Beretta style firearm, you have to, since it's an open slide design, you have to look for the spot for the, make sure you hook the front as you put the barrel in. Push here on the back. No, I was wrong there. I want to push down. There we go, perfect. In order to put your guide rod in, I have to make sure this thing goes down. So just play with it until you get it to do what you need it to do. Perfect, it's down. Now I can proceed to put in my recoil spring and guide rod. The guide rod, when you're done putting it in, it should be parallel with the barrel and parallel with the slide. There's a tiny little pocket there for you to catch. So there you go. Make sure it's centered. Now all that's left, match them up. You're going to meet a little bit of resistance. Be gentle. Don't beat it up. There you go. You're going to meet resistance a couple times. Just, be gentle, be patient. What I like to do, you're going to have to take off the spring pressure by pulling back and then push up your locker and give it a function check. So this is how I like to do that. Push up. I should be locked. Perfect.